Well, after several months and a lot of work, I finally finished the she shed. Hopefully my wife and daughter will enjoy this space. I want to give you guys a little tour, and hopefully by the end of the video, I might have given you some ideas on how to build your she shed. So here we have the two windows in the corner, and my wife was very specific that she wanted shutters. So those are installed and done. They are custom made. Weren't too hard to install, but they did take quite a long time to get in. And if I pan over here to the right, you'll see a 55-inch screen TV. If you do see the speakers in the wall, it does have surround sound. All the wiring and everything is built right into the wall. And if I come down here just a little bit, there's a little electric fireplace. It holds the DVD player and the receiver. And it does store some movies in there for us. Up there at the top you can see the recessed lights, and you got the transom window there in the back. And there's the air conditioner. It is a window air conditioner. I'm going to bring it in up close so you guys can see how I did it. And here's kind of an up close view of that air conditioner. You can see I just trimmed all the way around it. Looks pretty nice. It almost looks like it's built in. Right here is a sectional couch. It has a built-in bed. It is extremely comfortable, and we looked at quite a few sectionals, but we had to find a small one to fit in this space. This shed is 12 by 14, and this one fits pretty nice. If I come up the wall there's a little bit of wall art that we bought off Amazon. And coming around here to the right, you'll see the third window with the shutters. I'm going to show you how the shutters work here real quick. Well, the shutters do open and close just like this, or you can open the shutters all the way. They do fold open flat. And then down here in this corner there is a Polk Audio 10-inch subwoofer for the surround sound. And here's a view of the last wall. There's the front door with the two windows on either side. And here's what the floor looks like. It's kind of a brown, grayish barnwood look. It is life-proof, which means it's pretty much waterproof. Just in case we spilled something out here, I wanted to be able to wipe it up easy. This was extremely easy flooring to put down and turned out really nice. So that's the tour of the 12 by 14 she shed that I built for my wife and daughter. It took about 5 months to build. Total cost is somewhere around $8,000 to $9,000. So this is August of 2022, so inflation is in full effect. Everything probably cost about 50% more than if I would have built it 2 years ago. So hopefully I gave you guys a couple ideas if you're planning on building one of these sheds out in your backyard, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.